guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. For people who are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Jyoti and I make videos related to makeup, food, travel and many more fun stuff. So if you like this type of content, so definitely hit that subscribe button for more fun. So today I'm here and I'll be doing the unboxing and review of this month's Fab Bag, that is December 2020.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
So for people who don't know what's a Fab Bag is a monthly subscription bag. Basically you can subscribe Fab Bag for a period of time like 6 months, 3 months, even you can buy it for a month if you just want to see. So on an average you get around 4 to 5 products every month. Out of those 4 to 5 products, 1 or 2 products would be of your choice, which is Fab, I believe, and apart from that all other products will be kind of a surprise. So I really like that concept of Fab Bag, and it's been almost 4 months I've already subscribed and I'm loving every month's Fab Bag. So this is how this month's Fab Bag looks like. It's a beautiful red and white bag with good detailing over here, so it gives you a complete Christmas feeling. So I really like the bag. It has a chain enclosure as you all can see. So let's dig in. So first there are 2 cards. So Fab Bag has a theme every month. So the theme for this particular month is the startling bag, and yes, so this is how so over here if you can see there are products mentioned along with pricings. So we will check the products, and Fab Bag also runs an In My Fab Bag contest. So basically you have to read the rules over here and definitely participate in. The very first product I get is a metallic eyeliner from the brand Sugar. So Sugar Cosmetics is a really good brand, and Fab Bag sends Sugar Cosmetics products almost every month in their bag. So I really am a big fan of this brand Sugar Cosmetics. So this is their eyeliner. It's a metallic eyeliner in the shade 01 Bronze Horseman. So this is how it looks like from outside. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful bronzy shimmering shade. I'm going to swatch it for you. Wow, look at the shade. It is really beautiful. I really liked it. So this is a full-size product and is priced at 699, which is really good. So I can't wait to use this product. The next is, it is from the same brand Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Matte as Hell crayon lipstick in the shade 15 Stephanie Plum. So it's the mini version of their normal lipstick. So this is how the product looks like. I really like this shade. This is my most favorite shade, and I'm wearing it. If you can see, I really like it. I'm also going to show you the swatch of this. I'm wearing it right now. Yeah, I mean I cannot even compare like the opaqueness and the color payoff that this particular lipstick gives. It's really beautiful in just one swipe. So next up is the Aura de Purity Healing Body Clay. So this has some powder in it, and ingredients are mentioned over here. It has neem, chandan, aloe vera, santra, multani mitti, kaolin clay, turmeric, mint, rose, and they have also given direction of usage. So really good. So you basically have to mix water, apple cider vinegar or rose water, and you have to apply it on your body, and then you just have to rinse it with cold water. So I'm very excited to try this healing body clay, which has such amazing ingredients. So I can't wait to use it. So this is how the packaging looks from outside. So I'm going to show you how it looks from inside. Just a second. So this is how it looks from inside. It looks like some kind of a powder which you just need to mix with water or rose water or apple cider vinegar and apply it on your body. So it does not have a pleasant smell. So I'll be posting a review of this particular product on my Instagram, so after trying it. Yes. Next up is a body butter, and it is from the brand Twak. So I have used Twak brand products and it is pretty decent. So this is their fruit whipped body butter. Smells so good, guys. It smells so good. This is how it looks from inside. I'm just going to take some. Wow. So this is a winter essential that Fabbag has given. And it smells so good. I mean, so fruity. As the name says, it smells really good. It smells banana, pineapple and so much more. I'm really looking forward to use this. Next up is a bonus product from the brand Global Beauty Secrets. Now this is their Turkish shampoo and conditioner rose and mint. So this is what they gave us in the September Fabbag to the same product, the same size. And I really like this shampoo and conditioner combination from Global Beauty Secrets. So I'm happy that they sent this product, and this is a bonus kind of a product. So this is how it looks from outside. I'm also going to show it to you how it looks from inside. So this is how the product looks from inside. It has a beautiful mint fragrance, and it gives a cooling effect when you apply it in your hair, which I love the most. And yeah, so I really like this bonus product. Thank you Fabbag for this. That is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. I definitely love this month's Fabbag. As I said in my previous Fabbag videos, Fabbag is getting better and better every month. So that is it for today, guys. If you love this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.